Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a sweet spaghetti. So, itong ginagamit ko spaghetti, seasoning, garlic, onion, condensed milk instead of sugar. Condensed milk yung ginagamit ko. Hot dogs, beef, minced beef, meatballs. Gumagamit ako ng meatballs. Olive oil, spaghetti sauce, and tomato sauce. So, first, I'm going to make the sauce for spaghetti. So, all we have to do, I'm just going to heat up the wok. Sana mainit na, hindi pa. Okay. First, niluluto ko muna yung meatballs. Hindi ko muna niluluto yung onion and garlic. Later na yan, kasi masusunog. Ito muna. Then, let's add the minced beef. I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning. Okay. Ganito akong pag nagluluto ng spaghetti. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin pag pagluto ka ha. Then, I'm going to add na the onion. Let's put the garlic. Kapag mga bata nandito, nilalagyan ko siya ng cheese. Kaya kapag kami lang naman ng may husband and may bunso nasa bahay, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng cheese. Three more minutes. Atin natin yung hot dog. Brown yung hot dogs namin, ano? Kasi kapag ginamit ko yung sa Pilipinas na hot dog, ayaw ng bunso ko. Ayaw niya ng hot dog lang galing sa Pilipinas. Tapang muna natin for 3 minutes. Lagay na natin ating spaghetti sauce. Yung tomato sauce. tomato sauce ko. Kanina, spaghetti sauce yun. Ito naman, tomato sauce. Dagdagan ko lang ng konting spaghetti sauce. Lagyan na natin ng seasoning. Let's put the condensed milk. Depende sa inyo ha, kung kulang pa sa tamis, pwede nyo lagyan ng sugar or more condensed milk. My husband, he cook as well different way of spaghetti. Pero yung mga bata, mas gusto nila yung spaghetti na ginagawa ko kaysa sa asawa ko. Tayo lang natin ang kumulo. So normally, pag nilagay ko na yung condensed, normally nilalagyan ko na siya ng cheese. Is either mozzarella balls or Edam cheese or cheddar cheese. Pag nandito yung mga bata, kasi mas gusto nila kasi yung merong cheese. Kapag kami lang kakain ng mag-asawa tsaka yung bunso ko, ayaw namin ng may cheese. Pero at the end, pag nilagay ko sa plate, yung spaghetti tsaka yung sauce. Pagkakain na kami, nilalagyan ko siya ng top ng cheese. Nilalagyan ko lang siya ng Parmesan cheese o Parmigiano cheese. And boiling now water for the pasta. Ito yung spaghetti sauce. Ready na to. So, gagawin ko lang yung pasta. Hinahalo ko lang, minimix ko lang siya ng mimix. Kasi minsan, na dikit sa ilalim ng ano. So, this is not the best cooked na pasta. This is salt. Hindi ko siya inaantay talagang kumulo ng kumulo. So, half lang ginamit ko, half a kilo. Okay, let's try now the pasta is ready. One more minute and this is ready. Alright, this is already done. So let's drain it. And let's set it ready to dig in. Okay guys, so it's ready now. So all we have to do is to kain tayo. I'm getting hungry. That's my spaghetti. Also, see, I'll get noodles. I'll let you eat. The reason why I only put a little bit of meatballs is just me and my husband going to eat the meatballs. Kids are not around. Alvin, are you hungry, Alvin? You wanna eat?
Yes, Lola. I'm starving. Can I have some meatballs now, please?
Pag nagluluto ako ng spaghetti, hindi ko siya minimix yung pasta sa sauce. So, let's put now my Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. So, ta-da! Here's my spaghetti. The sweetest spaghetti. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye!